It's time for another unboxing. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's the Posh. Welcome back, and today we have a fun unboxing for you. Oh, I suck at intros. I make videos anytime I want, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring that bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. I have done some fun online shopping at some of the sales. I've been looking at some items that I wouldn't normally look at, but they're on sale, so I'm glancing at them. This could be a great thing or this could be a stupid thing. And I love to look at Lux Hunter. I'll have her link down below. She actually posts all of the sales, the secret sales, codes there can be. She actually has a platform app where you can sign up to be a Lux, I forget what she calls it, but it's like almost like a Lux Prime member. So you pay, I think, a little over $100 for the full year, and you get special secret sales, extra discounts that she sends your way. Definitely worth it in my opinion. When you see what I paid for these bags, I have 3 items here that I bought. Hopefully everything works and I keep them. One of the item is replacing, I don't know if you saw in one of my other videos, I did end up returning the Jacquemus bag. So I have a different one that I bought here that I actually got cheaper than the original one I bought. So that's always good, right? It's like making money. My Teresa is where I bought these. See here, so the Jacquemus tote, this one ended up costing me, it's the same size tote as the one I got, so I have the prices here, but this one was under $500, where the other one was just under $600. So I saved myself $100 by a bag not working, so that's always nice. So let's open it up. So it has like, oh, it's it. The struggle is real. This is such hard work opening all these packages. So here it is. You have the minimal packaging here from my Teresa. Okay, let's start with the Jacquemus bag because it is right on top. So here is the bag here that is going to replace the bag that I bought. If you haven't seen the video, I'll post it, but I had bought this bag. It was in a beautiful purple color. However, it had some stainage on it, so I decided to return it. So we've got this one. Oh my goodness, that looks so cute. Okay, so this is again is the Grande, I think they call it La Grande bag. And this one, let me see if I just have Jacquemus tote. They don't have the actual name of it. But this particular bag here, I had gotten in a purple color. I really wanted the large one because I do have it in the pink. And I just think that this color is so cute. And what I liked about this one is you can wear it as a shoulder bag as well, instead of just crossbody like the other one is. Oh, and I like this. This is a textured leather. So I also looked at this and I thought, oh, I think this will be better than that other leather that had stains on it because it was like a smooth calfskin. This one has texture to it. And also this is a similar like camel color to the bag that I had sold. If you saw from my bags I sold in Y, magnetic closure. And I think this one comes with, yes it does, with a strap so you can wear it crossbody if you want, or on the shoulder as a shoulder bag too. But again, this one is large enough that you could wear it as a shoulder bag. And the inside here, you have magnetic closure. And on the back here, you have just like a little slip pocket. Everything is open up. And then you have the rings on the side to attach your strap. So here is your strap here. It is adjustable. From my other Jacquemus bag, it's not something that I could see myself wearing crossbody comfortably because of this strap here. It kind of like pokes you in the boobs or in the armpit, but let's see how this one does. Okay, here is the bag here. Again, you can fit in the crook of the arm. Very nice and lightweight, has a beautiful textured leather. You can wear it on your shoulder, no problem. But it also has this detachable strap right here. So you can wear it over your shoulder. Let's try it crossbody. See, this isn't something, I mean, I can adjust it and make it a little bit longer. But when this bag is like crossbody, I just don't care for it because this is like all up in my business. I feel like I'm being groped a little bit, not in a good way, by my handbag. So I know some people, when I've seen them like wear the bags, they wear them like this. I guess so they don't get that sensation right here. See, you can make it longer, it looks like. Okay, I adjusted this to the longest setting. Ugh, I don't know what's going on. Everything like is stopping recording on me. So I had opened a whole nother bag and was trying it on until I realized I'm gonna put the bag back for dramatic effect. Okay, forget. All right, I just got it out of the box. Hey guys, here is the other bag. I didn't realize where I stopped with the Jacquemus bag. So we're gonna go here. So I have this cute little Staud bag. This was a total impulse buy for me. It was on sale. It was around $218 for this cute little bag. And I just thought it was so unique. It might be a bag that you hate or you love. But for me, when I saw it, I was like, this is gonna be a bag that I'm gonna wear and people are gonna stop me and say, what are you wearing? That is so cute. Where did you find it? Like, I'm predicting it now. It's such an amazing color and it's so fun. So let me show you it. So here is the bag right here. So this is called the Staud, a cute woven bag. And she's cute. She is a cute bag. I love it. It has like fun little geometric shape. All of this is woven leather right there. Super cute. It has a crossbody strap that can also be removed. Got all tangled here. It is adjustable. So you have lots of settings that you can use. And then right here is a magnet. And the reason I know this is because I filmed it with my camera being broken. Is a magnetic closure. You open it up, it's this beautiful micro suede. And the inside is just a little open pit, and then you do have a zipper in the back, and this can be removed and it can be a clutch. So there is like a little snap right here, and then you can unclip and take your whole strap off or put a different strap on. Like if you would probably make it a belt bag. If you had like a thin belt strap, you could probably attach to this and make it a cute belt bag. I just think this is so cute and unique. It just says Staud on the back. I am loving camel color. Obviously you saw that. I think this is going to be what I'm going to be rocking like spring, summer, going into fall. These kind of colors, I guess for me, like brown is the new black. But let's try it on. This is so cute. Couldn't you just see this like with a summer dress? But I could also see it with jeans and a t-shirt. Here's crossbody. I put it on the middle setting, so it definitely can go longer or higher. You have so many options with it. I just think it's so cute. Here's a close-up of it. And I just think like the color is amazing. Let me take it off so I can spin it. Great structure bag. I think it kind of gives you like boho, even like vintage vibes as well. Love that you have the magnetic closure. Again, you can see kind of a close-up of the inside. Beautiful micro suede interior with the zipper. And again, this snaps out, so then you could just wear it as a clutch if you want, or you could put a thin belt with it. I think this would look super cute as a belt bag if you wanted as well. Okay, before we stop filming for some reason again, let's get to the last thing. The last thing I got was a pair of shoes, and this is not something I would normally buy, but these shoes are normally over $800, $900, and they were $348. These are super embellished shoes. There's no reason to have these shoes. I have too many shoes. All right, I get it. But I did sell like 6 pairs, so I have room. That's how I justify it. All right. We have my Teresa. Oh, this is cute. They must have like little, I've never gotten a little bag like this for extra little tips for it. Okay. They have this. Special shoes need special attention. This product is delicate. Got it. Please take extra care when wearing to avoid any damage. So don't break them. Here they are. How stinking cute these are. And I know these are probably a wedding shoe. So my mom is getting remarried this spring, and I have a dress that I want to wear. It's a spring wedding, so I have this cute little green dress to wear, and I thought, oh, this looks so pretty. Okay, I love it. It has extra rhinestones. Okay. Okay, I'm confused by these shoes because these shoes are, guys, these shoes are damaged. So is this like something that comes off? You see what I'm saying? Okay, so here are the shoes here. And there's like this weird thing right here, but it's not on the one side. And like, see how they look almost already damaged? I don't understand. So these were a bust. These are going back, but what happened? Has anyone ever seen these heart shoes? I've never seen. So like here, it looks like it's already missing. And then here, there's like this weird bar thing there. Like, what the heck? All right, so I've examined them. So it looks like this one is damaged here. It looks like this is actually supposed to give it structure and it's supposed to go under here and look more like this one. But these look pretty ratchet. And when I looked on the site, they did not show a bar or anything like these. So these will be going back, because I am completely like disgusted. I don't know if anyone looked at these shoes before they wrapped it or if this happened, but look at this. Look how this is. Like, that is ratchet. Look at this. So you have this mark right here. It's just out. And here is this shoe right here, which is already missing some crystals. And they're supposed to be layered up. Like, these look like they would be super cute, but like, they have not even been worn. Like, isn't that sad that you have to have a warning? Like, obviously, these have never been worn and they're already broken. Like, look at this. Never been worn. Already broke. Okay, guys, that is everything. Let me know what you've gotten in the sales. Let me know what you like, what you don't like in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you again. Bye, guys.